Hello everyone. I hope things are doing well for you. My name is Sam Wong. I'm here to talk about a stock you may or may not heard before. The name is Bidu, simple Bidu. Before I get more details, I'm greatly appreciate if you can hit the subscribe button. You can kind of call Baidu as a Chinese Google. It is known as a Chinese search engine giant and consists of three segments: search services, transaction services, and IQE. Similar to Google, most profit coming from advertisement. Targeted advertisement has become much more important in reaching consumers. So why choosing Baidu? Baidu has expanded scope of business to increase market shares and competitiveness. And if you look at the share price, and you can look it up, so 219, they have a little bit struggling of the Baidu for whatever reasons. In 2018, the stock price was $250 or a little higher than that. So in the pandemic, this stock price had actually didn't go down but going up. And then in recent time, last quarter, well, I guess the announcement driven the stock actually go higher, but there's still plenty of room to grow if you compare to Google. If you look at Friday, Google was 1900, which was actually almost 52-week high. But then if you look at P/E ratio and everything pricing together, I mean, and antitrust potentials, you really, the compared to Bidu, in my opinion, Bidu is a little bit more attractive. I will talk about it in more detail. So in last quarter, third quarter, like about October timeline, announced to bought out YIJI, which is a company for young people to post live streaming social media platform, offer music and dance shows. In a sense, similar to TikTok, I think in China, TikTok is the most popular one. But then there's probably some other one that also, were allowing you to streaming video. So they have a way to want to increase their subscribers, just like YouTube, right? They look at opportunity there. So they are announced to buy out YIJI. And at that time, I mean, the stock was gone up YIJI over $100. And then it dropped. And then some people do a short sale, just like what happened to AMC and GameStop last Friday in US market. So the stock was gone down to $70. Now it's hit $92 again. So I missed the opportunity, but I did talk about YIJI in one of my videos if you were paying attention. So even more exciting, Baidu has recently announced to participate in the EV space. Last quarter, around November time, EV is really skyrocketing and rally a lot and really boom like that in US. And really, I have recommended, if you watch my video again, XPEV, which are actually gone down from $20 to triple in just a month, right? And then Workhorse, for those of you who have heard about it, that's a US company stock, you have from $1 gone up to $23.20 sometimes. So that's also one reason why I said expats still have potential to grow. And so they all report saying that they are going to joint venture with YIJI, which is another Chinese automobiles manufacturer, to make electric vehicle. So this is pretty well received since that stock news announced. The stock have jumped from $180 to now $250. That's a very great momentum. But of course, other than that, there's still also reasons people read between the lines and know why this is a great company to buy. The company released new intelligent vehicle solution for automakers and several high-end intelligent driving product during the second Apollo Ecosystem Conference held on December the 8th. Since the news, the stock had jumped, like I said, and then this kind of show management. What kind of management? They have a very smart, right? Identify opportunity that will transform the company and increase the market shares, which is very important to this type of company. In addition, the company is expected to invest in India ShareChat along with Snap Incorporated. So this is still ongoing. On December 22nd, Google announced it is investing in 2 Indian startups, and they are going to actually expand in the market as well in Bidu. Not only Bidu has a serious project to support growth, it is well known that in AI-related patent, Bidu has the most in China. So they own 2682 AI-related patents in China in 2020 fourth quarter, and actually they filed more than that. So it tells you that They also know how to protect the intellectual property in China, which is sometimes still have some work to do and kind of well respected in that area to ensure this company will continue to make sense and and really protect the asset that they own. Um, and also is now doing a little bit comparison with Google. While Google has gained 139% over 5 years, past 5 years, and Baidu only have 19.2%. In terms of past year, just last year performance though, Baidu has a clear winner with 52.1 return versus Google only 27.2%. So you see a big difference there with all these announcements, exciting news, how the market share going to be growing and so on with the sectors. This company clearly can see that, have a vision and know what to do with that, right? And then Baidu, also another exciting news, just to give you some information. Baidu daily active users had 206 million, and the monthly active user reached 544 million in third quarter, just a quarter alone. I think this not necessarily meaning people go to Baidu, but more like from the IQ watching and subscribing the the video that they have in China, and they pay for VIP services membership. Baidu revenue surged 8.4%, approximately 4.2 billion for last quarter, third quarter, because fourth quarter had not announced the earning yet. Okay, just that remember. And then the IQ membership grows 7% year over year, which is very consistent. They have a way to market and advertising and get more people into the game. Baidu has a roughly, like I said, 2019, but the last year, 2020, the performance was very well. You can say it's due to pandemic, but earnings just going to be expected to be better in 2021. Baidu earning per share expected to grow 47.6% for the quarter ending March 31st, 2021, and 12.4% in 2021 overall. In terms of forward PE ratio, Baidu had 21.9 versus Google 34.45. Price per earning, as you know that the smaller that number, the better. So 21 is a pretty good number. To put things into perspective as well, Baidu also more appealing when comparing to price sales ratio, that number as well. Okay, which means that they are very well their price in terms of the stock price. They have a more room and opportunity to grow higher. So the 1 year target price for Baidu is currently, I think, is around $228, and so they still have room, even they are $250 right now, about 25% growth for the year. So given all the reasons about, I think it is a great buy for Baidu. I hope you like this video. Please make sure to give me a like. Thank you very much.